You don't learn safety by reading a manual. You learn it when something goes wrong. And in industries like construction and manufacturing, that something can cost lives. Traditional safety training has a problem. It's passive, it's theoretical. And most importantly, it doesn't prepare people for real-world risk. You can't simulate a fall from height in a classroom. You can't practice scaffold failure safely on site. But what if you could? At NextXR Group, we're changing how safety is learned. With immersive VR-based OHS training, we put your workforce inside high-risk scenarios without the actual risk. This is not watching. This is doing. Take working at heights. In VR, trainees experience elevation, balance, and environmental factors. They make decisions, secure harnesses, assess edge protection, respond to instability. Scaffold erection isn't just about assembly. It's about precision, inspection, and compliance. In VR, teams build structures step by step, identify incorrect placements, and conduct real-time safety inspections. Now let's talk about hazard perception. Most incidents happen because hazards are missed. In VR, users navigate dynamic environments and identify risks: loose cables, unstable loads, unsafe zones. VR training delivers higher retention rates, faster skill acquisition, reduced training costs, zero physical risk, scalable workforce readiness, and most importantly, it builds confidence before stepping onto a real site. If you're serious about safety, it's time to rethink how you train. Get in touch. Let's build a safer workforce together.